Part two is writing on the back the word love. And if you're writing in Japanese, or you can write in Japanese, write the kanji character. The kanji character is beautiful and powerful, and it will go into the paper. The word love soaks into the paper. You turn it over. And like with the trust exercise, you let your imagination take off and go wherever it needs to go, meaning that it could be abstract, realistic, it could be anything that pops into mind, or even if you don't know where you're going with the art, you just put color after color down. And like before, what we've done before in Genesis Art, if you're not sure and you're feeling tense, just close your eyes, grab those art supplies, and work with that feeling of love and let it take you where it needs to go.